Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our newest class. I am very excited and very glad that you have decided to join me in this class. Thank you for that, and I assure you that you will learn some very interesting things in this class and an absolutely new business model that you can use from today with zero financial cost to start to make money online right away and to build a business online. So our class is called 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. I will tell you immediately what arbitrage means and why we will be discussing 3 ways of using this type of business to make money online. There are even more than that, but we will discuss 3 main ways that I found to be the simplest out of them all and practically can generate a very fast income from you even from the first few days up to a month since you start this new business model. So let's dive into the information. First of all, let's start with the beginning. We will have a short introduction, and first of all I want you guys to understand exactly what arbitrage means, because this is very important. So arbitrage is the practice of taking advantage of a price difference between two or more markets. So striking a combination of matching deals that capitalize upon the imbalance, the profit being the difference between the market prices. This is a definition according to Wikipedia. Probably I've lost you somewhere along the way. If I would have heard this definition for the first time for arbitrage, I would have probably understand like nothing. But it's actually very, very simple, and let me explain you in the next slide how this exactly works. Arbitrage. So we have a product, okay, let's say we have an iPhone or a Samsung phone or anything like that, okay, it doesn't matter. We have a product that is sold in two marketplaces, market one at $25 and market two at $37. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is practically buying from market one the product and selling it into the market two. We are actually profiting from the different price points of the two markets, which will be our profit. Obviously, price market 2 minus price market 1, which is actually $12. That will be our profit. So it's actually a very, very simple business model and the classic profit formula: buy for less, sell for more, and you will get a profit. Okay, that is what arbitrage is in economical terms. Now, let's see what types of arbitrage we will discuss in this course and class. First of all, we will discuss about arbitrage for physical products. So like the example I just gave you with the iPhone, but it can be practically related to any type of physical products. I don't know, even shampoo if you want to, or anything that it's a physical product. Then we will also discuss about arbitrage for digital products or services, which actually it's a more new type of arbitrage, to say so, but it's getting more and more traction, and it's very useful, and it can be a very lucrative business model. Now, how is this possible? Okay, how can we practically use this business model, and why especially we can use it right now, and why we should take advantage of this business model? Well, first of all, it's a model of business that can be done without upfront financial investment. You don't need money to start with. I'm one of the adepts that every business should start through the lean startup methodology, and if you can start a business without any upfront investment, that's even better. And that's all possible because the digital era that we live in, okay, these practically differences that exist between marketplaces and so on. If you think about it, maybe 25 years ago, this couldn't have been possible, okay? If you even think about it, even more than 25 years ago, most of the billionaires on the planet were people that were over 50 years old, okay? And now a lot of the billionaires from around the world are actually people from the high-tech internet business models, okay, that started with actually no money at all, and they are billionaires under 30 years old. That's because 30 years ago you needed a lot of money to start a business, and nowadays you actually don't. You can start from scratch with absolutely nothing in a dorm room, exactly like Facebook started, okay? So this is possible because you don't need any upfront financial investment. So it's actually a business model that it's accessible for absolutely anyone from anywhere in the world. This is very important. Now, the multitude of online marketplaces that have appeared in the last 10 to 15 years allow us to profit from different price points for the same products. Why? Because we find marketplaces that are based in India, in China, in Europe, in the United States, in Africa, and throughout all of these different countries and of these markets, there are different price points. Okay, so for example, a product that in the United States it's sold for $15, it's very likely that in Europe can be sold for $20, but in India it's sold for $5, and maybe in Japan it's sold for $25. Okay, and we can easily profit and juggle with these prices, so we can actually take a profit from this. Okay. Now, sourcing products is also easier than ever because of the business-to-business online marketplaces. So if we go 20 years back, it was also very hard to find products, okay, that you can sell. Now it's very, very easy because we have all these business-to-business online marketplaces where we can find suppliers from all around the world, okay? That makes it very, very easy for us to find products that we can sell to clients in different marketplaces. Thank you guys very much for your attention. This was all for this introduction. I'm looking forward to see you in our next video and lecture, which will be very interesting. So stay close and I will see you in our next lecture. Bye bye till then. Sorin here.